prosecutors are looking at the Buffalo Diocese for alleged crimes related to child sexual abuse. Last week, News 4 reported that the Department of Justice subpoenaed the diocese several months ago. It's the first time the federal government is investigating Buffalo's Catholic Church.
And this probe will be unique in many ways, starting with legal exceptions that exist for religious leaders. News 4's Jen Schatz is hearing from a law professor tonight about clergy privilege. Jen?
Don, think of it like doctor-patient confidentiality, but for clerics. New York State was the first state to recognize clergy privilege, which can limit what religious leaders are legally bound to provide to a court, whether it be testimony, documents, or even records. In late May, the DOJ subpoenaed the Buffalo Diocese. According to a source with knowledge of the investigation, it was for documents related to alleged pornography and taking victims across state lines. Prior to this, investigations of local dioceses were handled by state or local authorities. Last week, we learned several dioceses in Pennsylvania were also subpoenaed. It's unclear if the investigations are related.
We're now beginning to get a sense that perhaps there is a cross-border component, state to state, that really kind of invites federal oversight to see what's happened here.
Christine Bartholomew is an associate professor of law at UB. She says a cleric's right to keep certain communications out of court under the clergy privilege rule will come into play.
Part of the problem here is we have these statutes that are the basis of this privilege that are written incredibly broadly. So, for instance, in some of the statutes it says that any time you seek comfort from a cleric, that would be privileged, meaning if your cleric pats you on the back, but then you go on and give them information, that would count.
Clergy privilege could also apply to conversations between priests. Ultimately, a judge would decide. Over the years, the church has agreed to narrow the definition in many cases. But in alleged sex abuse, there's generally been a push in the opposite direction to keep more out of the court's reach, Bartholomew says. In this case, she says it appears federal prosecutors know what they're looking for.
This investigation is pretty far underway. There's already been a decision to produce certain documents limited to living priests. That the diocese has already sought to limit the priests involved. Makes me very curious to see what happens next as far as privilege assertions.
The Buffalo Diocese says it did provide documents to the Department of Justice, but says it has not heard anything since June. A spokesperson for the diocese says they have no indication their subpoena is related to the federal investigation in Pennsylvania. Jen Schatz, News 4.